A fish tank with a moving goldfish. First, fold your paper in half like a card. Crease it really tight. I'm going to be writing in Sharpie, by the way, but you're not going to. But we're not writing in Sharpie yet. Well, you're writing in pencil, I'm writing in Sharpie. Pinch the paper like this. Make sure the other is not being pinched. Make a snip like this, so it's like that. And then draw a rectangle around it. Make it as long as you want. From that snip, cut to the lines. Now, you'll have a rectangle here. Draw a large circle around your rectangle, which will be the base of the fishbowl, and draw lines on top of it, like sort of like this. They're not really lines. Get a scrap piece of paper. Well, you don't have any scraps, just grab another piece of paper like this. Draw some sort of oval thingy like this. Dad, did you fart? Disgusting. Draw a goldfish like an oval, little eye for a dot, and two ovals here. Color your fish whatever color you want, and color color everything blue till here, but you won't be drawing this line. Cut out your little fishy. Pause it if you're still coloring, okay? And then you can come back to this step. This is gonna be very fun. This fish will be able to slide in and out. But for decorating now. Draw wavy lines at the bottom here for sand. Draw seaweed like this. Add a bit more. Oh, make 2 of these or more if you lose one. Make another one. You can remember those steps. Oh yeah. Get some tape. Don't use blue tape. It will be harder and it won't really work. And tape all open sides. Well, wait first. After the bottom, I just forgot a step. After I do this. Take your scissors and you see where the rectangle is? Make a little slot somewhere around it. Somewhere like here in this corner. Maybe make it a bit deeper, but if it cuts into the fishbowl, that's okay.
Her head is completely blocking it.
No, because her hand blocks it.
See? Like this. Tape all open sides except for the slot you made.
I'll upload this to YouTube.
Yeah, it'll be a fun craft to make, though I wasn't really thinking about that. Slide your fish in and you've got your flippy fish. Color the background blue over here because it might be showing some space. Draw an arrow here so you can remember to open and close it. Ta-da! Color your goldfish. Color the tank as you please, but we finished. Color at the end.